My question is about karma.
There isn't any.
That's
Next.
Okay. You said
Back row.
fate one time. We're fated.
Say
you
again?
said we're fated. That we are fated. And what did fated mean? I connected that to karma.
Well, karma in the way most people mean it, there isn't any of that.
What you sow, you reap. Karma, fated.
Well, there is that. In other words, what you sow, you do reap, because law of attraction says that which you offer vibrationally is that what you bring back. But it does not pass on from lifetime to lifetime to lifetime in the negative sense that people mean, because when you reemerge into non-physical, you reemerge into pure positive energy. And when you come forth into your next incarnation, you come forth from that place of pure positive energy.
So all of that I was taught as a child and all this I've been working through is all bullshit?
Yes. Yes. Back row.
Okay, so there's this thing that I really want to talk about that has to do with peace marches, and it has to do with, my being locked in a closet when my kid was 2 and all of this other stuff. And I just really want to know if it's going to come back and haunt me or not, and how do I get a boyfriend?
Forget everything that doesn't have to do with boyfriend. Remember, it's everything that does have to do with boyfriend that feels good. And open your door. If there is something that you really want, get singly focused upon it in a positive way. If you can't get singly focused upon it in a positive way, then pick something else, you see. You are always an entertainer.
I had one revelation I thought I would just share for the fun of surfing. Sitting here listening to everyone's wonderful stories, they're really all our own. And I was thinking that we're like beings, and we're looking at a connect the dots drawing like when we had as a kid. And we got taught to connect from 1 to 2, and then we'd end up at 100. And it really is that wherever you begin, you ultimately will end. And it isn't about that you started at 1.
Very good.
So
we agree.
I thank you. This is joyful. And I danced at the Peace March.
I have 2
Another
questions,
brink,
but
yes.
they're short. The first,
We'll hear one of them.
Okay. I showed my son how to do Abraham, and he acquired a really fast race car, and it scares me to death.
Then show yourself how to do Abraham. You know all of the answers. You gave them all to him. In other words, you know what to do. You know how to hold the thought that feels best. All is well with him.
Hi, Abraham. This is my first time here, and I've really enjoyed it today. But recently I went to the doctor, had an examination, and the outcome was because of my age, they want me to have a procedure for something that could possibly happen, that really hasn't
Tell them
happened.
to perform it on themselves and leave you alone.
Perfect.